Good afternoon, students. Today we'll discuss an important topic in quant. Before starting the topic, just take one example. To know the topic properly, just imagine there are two students. You stand up, you also. Imagine you have scored 80 marks in one subject and this student scored 120 marks in another subject. Then, who is the better one? This one scored 80 mark and that student scored 120 mark. Which better? You will tell generally that 120 mark who has scored is better than 80 mark. But next, I give you another thing that this student scored 80 mark out of 100 marks. But this student scored 120 mark out of 200 mark. Then 80 out of 100 means this student score 80% mark and that student 120 out of 200 means 60% mark. So now this student score 80% mark and that student 60% mark. So better is this student. In this process we know how to find out who is better by dividing equal number, that is 100. This is called as percentage. Now we'll discuss properly about percentage. Now I am sharing the screen and discussing the topic about percentage. Stay focused. In this class you will learn everything about percentage if you will be focused in the class, and after this class I guarantee you that you have no doubt in this subject of percentage. Let's start the class. Now see, I am telling about percentage. Percent. This comes from a Latin word percentum. Percentum. Per means part of. Centum means 100. So, as earlier we have discussed one example between two students, one scored 80 mark, one scored 120 mark, but who scored 80 mark is better because he is out of 100 and who scored 120 he is out of 200, so his percentage is 60. So always we have to divide by 100. If we will find 20%, what is the meaning of 20%? 20 divided by 100. So it will be 1 by 5. If we simplify this one, it will be 1 by 5. So it is percent, it is fraction. When we convert percentage into fraction, at that time we have to divide by 100. Remember this. Whenever any percentage, we have to convert it into fraction, then we have to divide this number by 100. Okay. Then another one, 1 by 5 is what percentage? So when we convert any fraction into percentage, then we have to multiply 100. So here if we multiply 100, it will be your cancelled, it is 20%. So when we convert percentage into fraction, we divide by 100. When we convert fraction into percent, we multiply by 100. Any doubt? So you can find out. Just take another example. If we take 25%, just tell what this will be in fraction. To make this fraction, we have to divide by 100. So 25 divided by 100, it will be 1 by 4. Okay. If we take 1 by 6 and we have to convert this into percentage, then we have to multiply 100. If we multiply 100 with this number, it will be 16.66%. 1 means 40, 6, 36, 4 again, 0.40 means your 6. So it is 16.66%, 6 is recurring. Okay. So now we have to take this table. Just remember this one to make your percentage calculation much more easy. Take one fraction 1. 1 means 1 will be 100% because we know to convert fraction into percent we must multiply with 100. 1 by 2 will be 50%. 1 by 3 will be 33.33%. 1 by 4 will be 25%. 1 by 5 will be 20%. 1 by 6 will be 16.66%. 1 by 7 will be 14.2857%. 1 by 8 will be 12.5%. 1 by 9 will be 11.11%. 1 by 10 will be 10%. 1 by 11 will be 9.09%. Okay. So you have to remember from 1 to 1 by 10 because it will make you easy for your calculation. Now, if we take the vice versa, for easy calculation, we take one example. Just imagine 120. If 120 is 100%, then just tell what is the 50% of this. 50% of any number means divided by 2. It will be 60. What will be 25% of this? 25% will be 30 because divided by 4, 25% we know. 25 by 4, 1 by 24 by 100, 1 by 4, it will be 1 by 2, this will be 1. Then 10% will be your 12. Okay. So by this we can find out any percentage without calculation as well. See, if we find 60% of 120, directly we can do 12 into 6, 72. This will be answer. Otherwise, we can do like this. 50% of 120. We know 60% means 50% plus 10%. 50% we know is 60. And 10% of 12 will be 12. So it will be 72. Without pen paper, you can solve like this. Okay. So next we proceed. What is the application of this percentage? We will take the application. It is given there are 3 friends. Just imagine you 3 friends. One is Ram, one is Shyam, and another one is Hari. And the total amount is 250. It is divided between you 3 in the ratio of 2:3:5. Then question is asked, how much amount Ram get, how much amount Shyam get, and how much amount Hari get, and also what is their percentage. Easily we can find out the percentage like this. Total is 10. 10 means we know 100% full. So Ram is 20%, Shyam is 30%, and Hari is 50%. We can get this directly. Next one is total is your 10. So how much Ram get? We can find out in different method. First I am discussing one simple method. You can do like this. For Ram, 2 out of total 10 into 250. It will be your 50. Okay. Then how much Shyam get? 3 out of 10 to 50. It will be 75. And how much Hari get? 5, 10 to 50. It is 2 means 125. This is one method. By this we can solve. Next method we see total. This one total is 10. 2, 3, 5. If you take ratio, it is 10. 10 represent 250. So 1 represent how much? 25. Then easily we can solve all others. How? If 1 is 25, Ram is how much? 2. 2 will be 25 into 250. How much Shyam? 3 will be 3 into 25, 75. How much Hari? 5 will be 5 into 25, 125. like this also you can solve. Otherwise, 10 means your 250, 2 means here just like 25, 2 into 25, 50, 3 means 3 into 25, 75, 5 means 5 into 25, 125. So in this method, you can solve this within very less time. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss other concept in percentage as well as your questions related to profit loss as well as your simple interest, compound interest. This class will be also interesting for you. If you have any doubt in this class, you can ask. I will solve your queries.